Hi, I'm gonna show you the plumbing of the chair. The drain pipe is 1 inch size. Hot and cold water is 3/8 of an inch. So this one you can hook up directly to the water valve. 1 inch pipe connect to your existing plumbing. For the clearing from the back of the chair to the wall, it about 71 inches. That would give the back of the chair space to fully recline. And also, if you want to save more space, you can push it a little bit back further, and when this hit to the wall, the two wheel right here is gonna roll on the wall, so it's folded. That the purpose of this is not gonna make any damage to the chairs, because if this one fixed and hit to the wall, it could push the chairs that way, and it's gonna be damage the motor and damage the chairs. So if this hit to the wall, it roll up and fold it like this. It still give a good look of the chairs, and not cause any damage to the chair, because the back is kind of higher. Alright, the distance from the back right here to the front is 55 inches, and the distance from the edge of the arm to another edge is 33 inches. And you can add a tray right here, is about 4 inch, add to that distance. So it would 4 inch, 33 plus 8, so 41 inches total from the edge of the tray to another tray. When you install the chairs, there are two. Let me turn the flashlight on.